Howdy, partner. Welcome to our kitchen. I bet you didn't know this nifty tip used frozen grapes to chill your wine without diluting it. Trust me, it works wonders. And oh, you know what? For perfect pancakes, add a pinch of baking soda to your pancake batter. It gives them that extra fluffiness everyone loves. Now here's a healthier option for your baked goods. Use mashed avocado instead of butter. It's a great way to get a healthier fat option in your diet. Lastly, here's a classic trick. Place a wooden spoon across a boiling pot to prevent it from overflowing. Simple, yet so effective. Save a cup of pasta cooking water. It's great for thickening and flavoring sauces. Use the edge of a spoon to easily peel ginger without wasting any of the root. Freeze fresh herbs in oil. Chop fresh herbs, mix with olive oil, and freeze in ice cube trays for quick flavor boosts. Cornstarch for crispy chicken. Toss chicken in cornstarch before frying for an extra crispy texture. Non-stick pot for boiling pasta. Boil pasta in a non-stick pot to reduce the chances of it sticking together. Lemon zest in sweet treats. Add lemon zest to cookies and cakes for a fresh, zesty flavor. Shredded cheese and frozen meatballs. Mix shredded cheese into your meatball mixture for a cheesy surprise. Use a binder clip for spaghetti. Clip a binder clip to your pot to hold your spaghetti in place as it cooks. Use a zester or microplane to grate hard cheeses like Parmesan for a finer texture. Place fresh herbs between 2 paper towels and microwave for 30 seconds to quickly dry them. Rub a cut lemon over your cutting board to disinfect and remove odors. Use an empty plastic bottle to suck the yolk out of a cracked egg. Let cookies cool on the baking pan for a few minutes before transferring them to a rack to prevent breaking. Wrap meat in foil for juicier results. Wrap meats in foil when baking to retain moisture and enhance flavor. Use an ice cream scoop to melt and pour butter evenly in recipes. Quickly ripen avocados. Place avocados in a paper bag with a banana to speed up ripening. Water in the oven for crispier bread. Place a pan of water in the oven while baking bread for a crispier crust. Silicone baking mats for no stick. Use silicone baking mats for easy cleanup and to prevent sticking. Use a pizza cutter for herbs. Chop fresh herbs quickly by using a pizza cutter. Instant marinade with a vacuum bag. Place meat and marinade in a vacuum-sealed bag to quickly infuse flavors. Cooking fish in a skillet with lemon is a fantastic way to add flavor and moisture. Simply cook your fish fillets with lemon slices on top. It's really that easy and delicious. To enhance the depth of flavor in your chili, try adding a small amount of coffee grounds. It might sound unusual, but trust me, it works wonders. Cleaning your grill can be a breeze with a halved grapefruit. Just use it to scrub and clean the grill. It's a natural and effective solution. Perfectly boiled eggs with baking soda. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to the water to make peeling boiled eggs easier. Use a fork for perfectly whipped cream. Whip cream with a fork for a smaller batch if you don't have an electric mixer. Cut cherry tomatoes with a knife and lid. Place cherry tomatoes between 2 lids and slice through them to quickly cut them all at once. Freeze bananas for smoothies. Peel and freeze bananas to use as a base for thick, creamy smoothies. Blender for fluffy omelets. Blend eggs for a few seconds before cooking to make fluffy restaurant-style omelets. Roll dough between 2 sheets of plastic wrap. Roll out dough between sheets of plastic wrap to avoid sticky messes. Use cooking spray for measuring sticky ingredients. Spray measuring cups with cooking spray before measuring sticky ingredients like honey or syrup. Add a pinch of salt to sweet recipes. A pinch of salt in sweet recipes like cakes and cookies enhances flavor complexity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing kitchen hacks. See you next time, partner.